perfect little trap.
Come here, little one. See this pretty bell? The prettiest bells are down here. Come see. Gotcha. Wait.
Let me out, please, please.
Stay there until your parents bring me what I want.
Milo? Where are you, sweetie? Milo! Milo! Answer, Mommy! Leo, I can't find Milo anywhere.
What? I'm coming right now. Where'd you last see him?
By the bushes near the old trail. He was chasing a butterfly. Then I heard a bell.
A bell? That's not from the playground. These prints. Milo's prints and someone else. Someone hunched.
Leo, I see stairs ahead. Old basement stairs. Daddy, I'm here. Help!
Milo! Daddy's here. Hold on. It's locked solid.
Luna, call the police.
I'm getting him out now. Stand back from the door, Milo. Daddy's breaking it down. Not giving up. Come on.
You can do it, Leo. Daddy!
My brave boy. Daddy's got you. You're safe now.
My baby!
Perfect plan! You're not going anywhere! We're coming in! Ed, we're taking you to the station for processing.
Daddy, you saved me.
Milo, you did exactly right by calling for help. Never go with strangers, no matter what they promise.
in safely. My brave little one. I can't get it, Mom!
Hold on, sweetie, I'm coming!
We're finally home! Let's get you cleaned up and into fresh clothes, then we'll make dinner together. La la la, a cozy bath for my little star. La la la. Sweet dreams, my brave boy. You're safe now.
We're right here if you need us. What have I done, that poor child?
It's good to be home.
Yes, the house looks so lovely at sunset.
I'm hungry. Good job, brushing. Ready for bed, my sweet one?
You were so brave today going back to the park.
I wasn't scared because you and Mommy were there. We'll always be there for you, sweetheart. He's going to remember this lesson forever.
And he'll always remember that we came for him.
That's what family does. Thank you for watching our adventure. Please hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. Like, share, and we'll see you in the next video.